In this lesson, we'll learn how to create a section view. First, I activate the section view function. I'm going to draw a vertical line. This yellow indicator here, next to my line tool, indicates that this line is indeed vertical. Okay, with a drag of my mouse to the left, I'm able to see the section. Click Accept. Let's create another section view. This time we'll draw a horizontal line, accompanied also by the horizontal symbol. If I drag it down, I can also see another section view. In order to change the view direction, I will check or uncheck the flip direction box as needed. You can adjust the display style and the scale as well. Click Accept. To insert a grid, right-click on the sheet, Format 1, select Insert Grid. You can also check Properties to change the sheet format. And click OK. You can drag as required